Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my morning cleaning routine. I know it's a very short video, but this is everything that I get done in the morning before I go to work. Depending on what day of the week it is, my alarm usually goes off at 8:45. Sometimes I get up at 7, again, depending on what day of the week it is. First thing I do is hop out of bed and feed my cat because she's literally standing next to me, staring at me, waiting for me to feed her. So that's the first thing I do, and then I will make my bed. Honestly, making my bed is a habit I'm still trying to master. I never really did it before, so sometimes I do forget, but it's something that I'm really trying to do that just helps kind of pull the room together and get me started off on the right foot. I will get dressed and then I will head downstairs, and usually I will have a load running the night before that was in the dryer, so I will take that out, and then if I have time, I will start another load in the washer. If I don't, I will delay the wash until I get home from work. But I like to just have it in there ready to go so I can just hit the start button when I get home. I will head in the kitchen and I will start my day off by opening up the blinds and drinking some water. I've been really into drinking as much water as I possibly can, so I'll use my filtered water, and then I put some sort of flavor in there because I cannot drink just plain water. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot do it. So I use that flavor today. My favorite is the blueberry one, but I was all out, so I used that, and then I unloaded the dishwasher. Usually the night before I will run it if I have enough dishes, and then in the morning I will unload it and put all of the dishes away. If I have dishes in the sink from whether it's from breakfast or if I have like a late snack or dinner, I'll load those in the washer and just kind of clear my sink as much as I can. Usually it's not enough for a full load, so I just kind of preload it. And then I have this pan. I made some chicken like late this night, and instead of putting it in the washer, I was just going to let it sit and soak, and I was going to come back to it another time because obviously I had to go to work, so I didn't really have time to sit and wait for it. So I load the dishwasher if there's any dishes, and then depending on if my trash is full or not, I will take it out. Again, this is not every single day that I do this, but I do check it every day to see if it needs to be taken out. So today it obviously was full, so I took it outside, and then I had some recycling that needed to go out, so I took it out as well. And before I put a new bag in, I noticed that there was just a lot of stuff at the bottom of the trash, so I vacuumed it out really quick, put a new bag in, and then did a quick vacuum of the kitchen floor. The final thing I do before I head off to work is just quickly tidy up the living room. I try and keep up with it, so it's really not that big of a task. It takes me probably like 2 minutes, but I'll fold up the blanket and fix the pillows and then put anything away that's on the couch before I get all my snow gear on and head out to work. Hope this video gave you guys some inspiration for some morning cleaning, and be on the lookout for another video next week. I really appreciate your guys' support recently, and I just love having you guys here. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.